Hi friends, welcome back to Plumbing with Tim. Today this is a quick tip video on how to replace the disc ring on a drop canister Kohler toilet. Here's what we're working with right now, and this is the drop canister, and underneath it that seals that to the flush valve is a yellow rubber gasket. Let me show you the easiest way to do this. Start by turning the water off to your toilet. Flush your toilet. Next, pull your little rubber tube up off the middle piece, like so. We're going to take the middle insert of our drop canister and turn it counterclockwise until it loosens up. Up comes the entire canister, revealing our drop seal. This is the flapper for this toilet. It is just a seal disc. We have replacements for them right there. They run about $10. Local plumbing supply, maybe a big box store, or online at Kohler.com. Take that seal disc and just pull it out, just like that. Be sure to make sure this area here is nice and clean before installing the new gasket. Next, take your new seal. It's hard to do one-handed. You're going to stuff it back in that same little groove along the inside of your drop canister. Take your new seal, run the bottom of the drop canister. You're going to find that groove, nice and easy. Just follow it around. Don't stretch it out too much. You want to keep its resilience, just like that. If you look closely down at the tank, you can see that groove. Well, that groove right there has to match the bottom of the drop canister. I'll show you how. There's that groove I was talking about. Match groove with groove. Quarter turn twist clockwise, so it locks into place. Reinstall rubber hose to the top of the drop. Reattach chain to handle. Turn water back on. Go ahead and test. One other little tip, when I pulled that canister out and removed the old gasket, down in the bottom of the tank where that gasket sits down in, make sure to clean that area and free it of any kind of voids like old pieces of the original seal down there, or else it'll leak and cause the toilet to run. One quick tip, when I removed that drop canister to replace that seal, I also cleaned the bottom side where that seal is going to sit against, just so it wouldn't have any kind of voids created causing this thing to leak and to make the toilet run. So all you millions of people out there that own these Kohler style toilets that have the seal gaskets, these are the parts that are replaceable inside of that tank, because they start losing the resiliency and they start buckling up like that, and they form a void down at the bottom of the tank, causing that water to escape and making the toilet to run. And this is a $10 fix, and you can do it yourself without the cost of a plumber. That's all the time we got for this one. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching the video. The Kohler drop canister seal gasket, replaceable, runs about $10 at your local plumbing supply or some big box stores, as well as Kohler.com. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Something you can easily fix yourself. If you start hearing that Kohler toilet starting to run and you know that it has one of these in here, it's easy, do it yourself. Thanks so much. Till next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.